Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another Steverville Food review. Today we stopped by Dairy Queen to try their Blizzard of the Month, which just happens to be Sour Patch Kids. Let's check it out. All right, guys, so here it is. This is the Blizzard of the Month, Sour Patch Kids. It's got an awesome color. That is, it's like some kind of futuristic space type color. I mean, it doesn't make me think Sour Patch Kids, but it does have a really cool color, and you can see the little Sour Patch Kid pieces of candy inside there. This really should be pretty decent, should be pretty good. I'm thinking that sweet from the ice cream and then that sour from the Sour Patch Kids, as they say, first they're sweet, then they're sour. I'm ready to get into this one, so let's check this one out. It is completely loaded down with those little Sour Patch pieces, those little Sour Patch Kid pieces of candy. Here we go. Wow, that's awesome. That's like really good, man. That might be one of the best blizzards I've ever had. It's like a berry flavored blizzard. That part right there, you know, I guess the red color that's mixed into it. It's like a berry, almost strawberry, like a sour strawberry kind of flavor mix that's in there. Of course, you can see it does have that regular ice cream, that Dairy Queen ice cream. Yeah, this is really good. It's like a berry flavor with then those Sour Patch Kid little pieces of candy, but I think they also put like some kind of powder. I believe I saw them putting like a powder mix inside, I guess maybe to intensify the sour flavor. Wow. The little pieces of candy from like the cold of the ice cream, they're a little bit hard. It's kind of harden them up, and then when they begin to kind of warm up, they begin sticking to your teeth. Wow. Did I say that before? I mean, it's not just Sour Patch. You keep getting hit with the sour from that candy, but I think there's more of that sour flavor coming from that powder mix that I saw them put in. I mean, this is like levels and levels of flavor here. That berry, then that sweet ice cream, that sweet candy, that sour powder mix, and the sour. I guess the powder mix was probably the same powder that's on the outside of the candies. So I guess that's what they put in there to really intensify it, and it's definitely working. Well, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and say, on a scale of 1 to 10, for me, this is a solid 9. Definitely a solid 9. If it wasn't for the way the candies, and I know they're gummy candies, so if it wasn't for the texture of that, it probably would have scored a little bit higher. Definitely gets a solid 9. A high recommendation, I'd say run, get your bicycle, get your skateboard. If you don't have one, borrow the kid next door to you, borrow his skateboard, scooter, whatever. Go get you one of these. You'll be happy you did. I'm happy I did. That's my view of the Sour Patch Kids Blizzard of the Month from Dairy Queen. With that, I say good day.